When someone is depressed or is upset or in sorrow or grief, he likes to sit in a place which makes him feel happy, whether it may be by the beach or on the river or something that he used to do while he was a little kid, even eat something which reminds him of the time that he was happy. That isn't fixing anything. The only thing it's doing is giving him a small moment of relief from the stresses and from the depression that he is currently dealing with. Similarly, our ruh, our ghidha of our ruh, it is being corrupted by the environment that we are in. Our ruh, if it was given a tongue that we could hear, it would tell us that it doesn't like where it's at. It would tell us that it would like to be in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It would tell us that this is not what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us for. But because our nafs and shaitan and the environment, these three enemies that we are currently dealing with, it becomes a little bit difficult to sit in the majlis of remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.